Little Muffin! Little Muffin!
Little Muffin presents The Tortoise and the Hare from Aesop's Fable. He was the fastest in the forest, but the slowest one won the race. Wait, what? You won't believe how. Let's find out. This isn't just a race, it's a lesson.
In a sunny forest, a fast hare loved to brag about his speed. He would hop around, teasing the other animals. Hare laughing and said,
I am the fastest in the forest. No one can beat me.
Tortoise smiled and replied, Speed isn't everything, my friend. One day, the tortoise got tired of the hare's boasting. Tortoise determined and said, Let's have a race here. Let's see who really wins. Hare giggled and replied,
A race? Against you? This will be easy.
All the forest animals gathered to watch the race. The race began. The hare zoomed ahead, while the tortoise took slow, steady steps. Hare smirked and thought,
Haha, I'm already so far ahead. I have time for a little nap.
He lay under a shady tree and fell asleep. The tortoise kept walking, slow and steady, step by step. Tortoise humming, Small, small steps brings big, big wins. Small, small steps brings big, big wins. The animals cheered for him. Time passed and the tortoise was almost at the finish line. Hare woke up and shocked to see Tortoise at the finish line.
Oh no!
And said,
The tortoise is ahead.
He ran as fast as he could. But it was too late. The tortoise won the race. The forest animals cheered loudly. Tortoise smiling and said, Slow and steady wins the race. Hare learned his lesson and promised,
I won't be lazy again.
and from that day, the hare never underestimated anyone again. Moral: slow and steady wins the race.